For good cornrow, you just need 2 tools and 1 product. What are they? Welcome to today's episode. So today we'll discuss the main tools, but before we cover that, let's discuss all the tools that you might need. So first on the list is called the rat tail comb. This comb helps you to get perfect clean parts. It has 3 components that are very important. It has the sharp part, the middle part for combing, and the tail also for parting. It's a very essential comb. Next, we have the detangling comb. As the name implies, it's used to detangle your hair. The more detangled your hair, the finer the cornrow will look. So, let's go to the next one. The next on the list will be braiding gel. I like using the Shine and Jam or Eco Stellar gel. Number 8 is what I prefer. You can use any of your choice. Now, the trick is not to overuse it. Just a small amount along the parts and roots to get your parts clean. I recommend the number 8. And Shine and Jam does not leave whitish residue on your hair. So this comb and the detangling comb goes hand in hand. If you don't have this, you can go for the African parting comb. This one has sharp edge to part your hair as well. It can be used to replace or use alongside the rat tail comb. Now, for good sessions, you need clips. This clip is called duck bill clip. It's used to part small sections in case you just pre-part before you make the hair. For larger sections, you need the crocodile. The full name is funny. Crocodile clip or alligator clip. This comes in different shape and size. It helps you to grip the sections you don't need and hold it in place. After making your hair, you may need mousse, not compulsory. There are different types of mousse. Then you also need hairspray to shine the lines of your hair after making the braid. Instead of braiding gel, some people use grease. You can use grease of your choice. You can also use oil for the scalp and for the tip of your hair to enhance growth. Now, if you don't want the gel to stain your hand, you need this magnetic wrist sewing band. It's initially used by tailors, but as braiders, we also use it. So you just fix it like this to avoid your hand being messy. Apply the gel. You also need some ribbons of choice. Then you need this comb at the end to brush the front part, especially if you have brush. For simplicity and ease, I have attached the Amazon link for you to get these items. Also, you need a heat protectant if you are using a blow dryer. Now, we said what are the most important tools and products is this. You need this rat comb, a detangling brush, and a braiding gel. If you have this, you can make your cornrow at any time. So these are the 3 must have. The rat comb and the African comb perform the same thing. So that is it for tools. The 3, I'll show you how to prep your hair and how to position your fingers to grip your cornrow. See you tomorrow. Bye.